Our city is big. زمون ښار لوی دی. Our city is big. Our garden looks beautiful. زمون باغ ښکلی ښکاري. Our garden looks beautiful. Our village is small. زمون کلی وړوکی دی. Our village is small. Our team played well. زمون ډلې ښه لوبه وکړه. Our team played well. Our room needs cleaning. زمون کمرې ته د صفایۍ ضرورت دی. Our room needs cleaning. Our teacher helped us. زمون استاد زمون مدد وکړو. Our teacher helped us. Our school opens at 8. زمون مکتب په 8 بجې کولاویږي. Our school opens at 8. Our city is very old. زمون ښار ډیر پخوانی دی. Our city is very old. Our food is delicious. زمون خوراک خوندور دی. Our food is delicious. Our class starts soon. زمون ټولګي زر شروع کیږي. Our class starts soon. یعنی زمون کلاس زر شروع کیږي. Our plan worked well. زمون منصوبې ښه کار وکړو. Our plan worked well. This house is ours. دا کور زمون دی. This house is ours. That car is ours. دغه موټر زمون دی. That car is ours. The victory is ours. بری زمون دی. The victory is ours. بری یعنی پتا. This bag is ours. دا بسته زمون ده. This bag is ours. That idea was ours. دا خیال زمون وو. That idea was ours. The win is ours. ګټه زمون ده. ګټه یعنی جیت. The win is ours. This garden is ours. دا باغ زمون دی. This garden is ours. That land is ours. دغه ځمکه زمون ده. That land is ours. The book is ours. کتاب زمون دی. The book is ours. This success is ours. دا کامیابی زمون ده. This success is ours. That mistake was ours. دا غلطی زمون وا. That mistake was ours. The problem is ours. مسئله زمون ده. The problem is ours. The shop is ours. دکان زمون دی. The shop is ours. That idea was totally ours. دا خیال بالکل زمون وو. That idea was totally ours. The seat is ours. نشست زمون دی. نشست یعنی کرسی یا څوکۍ. The seat is ours. The house on the hill is ours. په غونډۍ باندې دا کور زمون دی. The house on the hill is ours. The fault is ours. قصور زمون دی. The fault is ours. This is ours, not theirs. دا زمونږ دی د هغوی نه. This is ours, not theirs. The future is ours. مستقبل زمونږ دی. The future is ours. Everything here is ours. دلته هر څه زمونږ دی. Everything here is ours. We introduced ourselves. مونږ خپل ځان معرفي کړو، یعنی مونږ خپل تعارف وکړو. We introduced ourselves. We helped ourselves. مونږ خپل مدد وکړو. We helped ourselves. We taught ourselves پښتو. مونږ په خپل پښتو زده کړه. We taught ourselves پښتو. We prepared ourselves. مونږ خپل ځان تیار کړو. We prepared ourselves. We cleaned ourselves. مونږ ځان صفا کړو. We cleaned ourselves. We hurt ourselves. مونږ ځان زخمی کړو. We hurt ourselves. We controlled ourselves. مونږ ځان قابو کړو. We controlled ourselves. We protected ourselves. مونږ خپل حفاظت وکړو. We protected ourselves. We cooked for ourselves. مونږ ځان له خوراک پوخ کړو. We cooked for ourselves. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو لپاره د چینل PE Everyone سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به ترې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.